AMC stock performed absolutely beautiful today. We were up over 12% on the day. And yes, after falling back down and testing and bouncing off that level of support around $30 per share, it's almost like as soon as AMC touched the 20s, people just ate that stock up, and we were able to watch it bounce off and close around $33.51 today. This is excellent news, but going into Friday, what's everybody going to be looking at? Everybody wants to know what's going to take place on the earnings call, on Monday, August 9th. So that's where a lot of the focus is going to be tomorrow. And look, I believe it's going to be an excellent thing. The earnings call is all positive in my mind, and I think that AMC is going to perform very well. So in this video, let's talk about a couple of levels of support and resistance that we need to make it through tomorrow, going into the earnings call on Monday, and then what we can expect from the earnings call as well. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, it's no surprise that AMC did very well today, and it did exactly what we wanted it to do. We knew that that level of $30 per share was going to be significant, and we did briefly break down just below it into the 20s, the upper 20s. And man, did you see how fast people went in there and just snapped that stock up as soon as it was in the 20s? It was a beautiful thing to see the buying pressure just flow in as soon as we broke that level of support and then bounced right off of it and moved higher. Now, I'm not going to say it's easy to break back into the 40s. There are several levels of resistance that we need to get through on the way up. We've got one right here at $33.50. We got another one at $35 to $35.50 roughly, and then another one at $37. So we've got our work cut out for us if we want to reach back in the 40s, and it's not going to be as easy as a lot of people anticipate, but it absolutely can be done. I mean, today was, if you needed proof that people are buying AMC stock, today showed you just that. I mean, you put it on the short sale, you activate the short sale rule for a minute, and the shorts can't come in and attack us like that. All we do is go up. It is a beautiful thing, guys. But all eyes are going to be on the upcoming earnings call for Monday, August 9th. What should we expect, and is it going to be a typical earnings call? Now, typically, investors might sell off before an earnings call because they're worried about the volatility. What if they meet expectations? What if they beat expectations? What if they miss expectations? What's going to happen? And when investors have that and have that question in their minds, they typically sell the position in order to not deal with that sort of fluctuation, that sort of volatility, and they can't stomach the risk. I believe this is a completely different scenario. All right, at this point, it doesn't matter if AMC meets expectations, beats expectations, or misses expectations. We know that the company is not facing bankruptcy, right? Hedge funds know that the company is not facing bankruptcy. AMC knows that it's not facing bankruptcy. Things are looking very good fundamentally for AMC, and a miss or a beat on earnings per share or revenue or whatever isn't going to make or break the squeeze play, and that is exactly why we are here. And I believe that's why the majority of people holding AMC are in this stock right now. There are very few people buying AMC long term at $33 per share, hoping that the fundamentals improve and justify a $33 share price. So what are some of the things that we can look for knowing this? Knowing that it's not about how well AMC meets or beats the expectations. Aron is going to have a lot to offer. He is going to have a lot to bring to the table during this discussion. Not only because of the fact that he is willing to answer retail investors' questions. That is a beautiful step in the right direction. The fact that he is listening to us, the fact that he wants to know what we like, the direction that we want to take to AMC. We own AMC at this point, and he is listening to us. That is a beautiful thing. But what else can we see? You know, he said that the new shares are off the table for 2021. Excellent. Will we see mention of any more share dilution or any other shares in this? If not, perfect. That means that AMC at this point is not even concerned about raising extra capital through an equity offering because they know for a fact that they can stave off bankruptcy and they can run the company without the increased capital coming in from equity ownership. That would be an excellent thing. There's a lot of good questions out there on the SATEC website too. It's talking about dividends. Now, I'm a little bit skeptical that AMC is going to be able to offer a dividend or even talk about offering a dividend at this point. You know, speculation of a dividend could do something to the share price, even though, I don't know. I don't think that we're all investing in AMC for dividend plays at this point, but dividends would be nice because it would cause some more pressure on the shorts to have to cover those dividends that the short positions are out there for. So that would be nice, but I don't think we're going to hear too much talk about that, even though that is the number one question that retail investors want to know right now. Things like opening up drive-in theaters, partnering with GameStop, all excellent questions to see the direction that AMC is willing to take in order to appease some of the retail investors out there who have these really good ideas on how to generate extra revenue other than just showing movies. Now, guys, keep in mind, though, AMC is a movie theater. It is an entertainment company, and I don't know if they're necessarily going to go in all of these different directions with, I don't know, hosting esports platforms and different things like that and partnering with GameStop. They are excellent ideas, but I don't know what we're going to see out of it. I want to hear and I want to pay attention to the tone of Aron in this to see several things. One, what does he think about the future of the company? If he's very confident in the future of AMC, so am I, okay? I don't expect to hear him say anything about a squeeze at this point, but that's okay. We know that he's got one job, and his one job is to make sure that AMC is absolutely thriving, and I believe he does a very good job at focusing on AMC, the future of AMC, and the fundamentals of AMC. So I don't expect anything different in this earnings call, and I don't think any other investor out there should either. I mean, it is all good news coming from Aron all the time, right? The man is definitely focused on spinning everything to make it come to the best light for AMC as possible, and I don't expect anything different. So as for tomorrow is concerned, we really need to stay above the $30 level. If we do see a pullback tomorrow, that $30 level of support needs to hold, and not only for options expiring in the money, but for the fact that we have a very strong level of support right there that needs to hold up so we don't fall back into the 20s. Now, we've already talked about the levels of resistance on the way back to the upside. I don't know if we're going to reach 40 or not, but I would love to really see a nice run again tomorrow. 2 green days in a row would be beautiful. But my attention, my focus, my expectations now are on this upcoming earnings call, and we will absolutely be streaming it here on the channel. So if you want to check it out, make sure to tune in Monday during the live stream. And yeah, guys, if this red button is still red, I don't know why. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the upcoming earnings call. If you think it's going to be all good news coming from the executive team at AMC, because that is my anticipation, and I would expect that it's the anticipation of a lot of apes out there. Guys, Webull, if you want to sign up for Webull, open a brokerage account with them, all you got to do is deposit $100. Use the link in the description below. It's very easy to sign up. You're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing so. Sell those stocks, keep those stocks, whatever you want to do with them, they are yours. ClayBro883 if you want to follow me on Twitter, and there's a lot of other links in the description below as well if you want to check each and every one of those out. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.